everyone, welcome to my channel. So I recently had a small accident, so I can't really use my right hand, like I can't move it much, it pains. So I thought of doing a left hand makeup challenge in which I use only my left hand to do my full face of makeup, and I am right handed. So without further ado, let's get started. So for my moisturizer, I'm using this Garnier moisturizer. I'm trying to open it, just applying it all over my face. Please don't mind my hair and my clothes because that's all I could do with my left hand. Next, for the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228, and I'm pouring little bit directly on my face.
2,000 years later.
Now I'm just kind of spreading it with my finger. I'm using a buffing brush to buff everything. I applied very little, you can't even make out that I have applied foundation. Next, for the concealer, I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42, and I'm just using my finger to apply it under my eyes. Then I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just setting the concealer. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using this NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. Now I'm just using this pulley which is there on the other side, and I'm just blending it out. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm using this amber shade in my crease. Then I'm going to take the brown shade Oud and applying it in my outer V. Then I'm going to use the shimmery shade called Angelic and applying it all over my lid. Just applying it in the inner half, not all over my lid. Now to clean my crease, I'm just using this brush and blending it out. For the kajal, I'm using this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal, applying it in my lower waterline. I hope I don't poke myself in the eye. I'm also drawing an eyeliner on top with the same kajal. Little bit of wing too. Okay. I'm taking that brown shade again and applying it underneath my eyes. Taking a shimmery shade and applying it in my inner corner. Now I'm applying some mascara. This is the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. Now for the bronzer, I'm taking the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I haven't really done my skincare routine since 2 days. I hope I don't get any breakouts. Applying some blush. I'm holding my brush like a 5-year-old. I hope this video is not boring because I'm not talking at all. I'm using this palette, by the way, and I'm using the highlighter from the same palette. Oops, I just highlighted my pimples. Highlighter all over my forehead. Now for the lips, I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Spice, filling my own lips with this. For the lipstick, I'm using this MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Carnivorous. It's very dark and I'm too brave to do this. I can't even apply the shade with my right hand actually. It just goes out of my lips. But I'm gonna try. I'm not even comfortable with wearing such bold shades. Ooh. Can we leave it like this? Did I actually do this? I can't believe this. The other day I couldn't even do this with my right hand. I had to use like a makeup remover to remove like all the stains of the lipstick. I just can't believe I did this. Should I become a lefty? To set my makeup, I'm just spraying some Fix Plus. So this is the finished look. I quite liked how it turned out, except for the eyeliner. It's really bad, but honestly I would have done the same job even with my right hand. I'm really bad with eyeliners. But other than that, I really liked the makeup look. I liked my eyes and lips. I liked lips the most. Let me know in the comments down below how I did it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday. I'm not sure if I'll be able to upload this week because I can't really move my arm much, but I'll try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.